Good morning, students. Today we're going to do an activity that's called water down the drain. You guys are going to be able to measure leaky faucets in your home using 2 paper cups, and you're going to poke holes in them, and then we're going to try and fix them. But before we do that, I have some questions, and after I say these, I want you guys on your paper to write down as many questions as you can think of about the statements I just said, okay? So, according to the EPA, household leaks waste more than $1 trillion or 1 trillion gallons of water each year. Okay, that's 1 trillion. The U.S. Geological Survey estimates that leaky faucets in U.S. homes waste over $10 million worth of water each year. Knowing or having what I just read to you, I want you to write down as many questions as you can think of on your paper right now. So now that we're done with the questioning phase, we're going to move on to actually performing the experiment. So you guys have already planned how you're going to do this. So you have a water bottle, a styrofoam cup, a paper clip, and a graduated cylinder in front of you, and you're going to measure the water that leaks out of the cup. So
I'm going to poke the hole in the cup. And I'm going to open the water.
I'm going to start the timer now. Ten seconds. 20 seconds. 30 seconds.
not yet.
40 seconds. 50 seconds. 60 seconds.
So now that we've done the smaller cup or the smaller leak, we're going to move on to the larger leak. So you have, again, the graduated cylinder, a water bottle, a styrofoam cup, but this styrofoam cup, you haven't poked a hole in it, and you have a larger paper clip to represent a larger leak that can happen. So you guys are going to perform the same experiment and do the same thing, okay? So go ahead and go at it.
I'm going to poke the cup. Place it over the cylinder.
I'm going to
some water.
start the timer now. Ten seconds. 20 seconds. 30 seconds. 40 seconds. 50 seconds. 10
So now that we've performed the leak test, now you guys are gonna have to fix the leaks. So I've included some materials here. I've included some tape, cotton balls, a Band-Aid, some a glue stick, and some paper. And it's your guys' job to use either one or a combination of these things to fix the leaks. Okay, so remember there are 2 leaks, one in each cup that you need to fix. So how would you guys go about doing that?
For the big cup, for the big hole,
Do you want to just tape?
use then a cotton ball.
Where would we put the cotton ball? Like inside the cup or outside? Outside? Okay. Outside. And for the small one, should we... You want to cover it with the Band-Aid and then tape it for like...
Okay.
Yeah?
Okay.
Okay.
So Band-Aid.
I'll put the Band-Aid on the hole. Is that gonna work? Let's secure it. And secure it with these. Let's do it one more time. Wait, did that work? Should we go like across? Or is that it?
Yeah.
Across?
This one is like.
Should we close this part? Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay,
That's
so
small cup.
we're gonna put it in here now. And that's because we're gonna put water in it and see if it leaks again.
Okay.
Now the big hole.
Put that in there and tape it. We'll go all around with this one too. Oh, no. This way. Sorry. And
This one.
like this.
Okay, and then go ahead and put that one in here. And what we're gonna do now is we're going to take the water bottle and very carefully, okay, we are going to put water in each one. Okay, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna let these sit overnight and see what happens tomorrow when we get here. Okay? So go ahead and put some water in the first one with the Band-Aid. And you don't need to fill it all the way to the top, just enough to cover the bottom and stuff. That should be good. And then do the same thing with this one, very carefully. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna let these go and see what happens. And we'll check it tomorrow.